Can we online people? Audible?
Yes, sir.
We'll spend 5-10 minutes what we done last class. Then we'll move on. See, last class, if you remember, GV, what is the need of a GV? The GV, what we do? Text editor, where we will write the code. What kind of code? Maybe C, CPP, Perl, Python, Shell, CGI, or Verilog system, Verilog union, any kind of or TXT or CSV file. Any kind of file, if you want to do the coding, that we'll do in a GV. Next comes in one more tool called work and control tool or repository tool, that is called Git. Either Git or Perforce. Okay. Anything? We have different types of version control tools. Git, Perforce, XVN. I'm not remember that. But we have the we use this one. Okay. Software people will use SVN or Git. Git is widely used. Okay. Git is used in major company. Okay. Don't think Git is GitHub. GitHub is different. Git is a tool. Okay. They are called as what? Version control tool. What do you mean by version control tool? What actually this tool will help you to do?
To share the files across the systems.
Correct. With different people. Oh yeah. Example, we all the people are working for one team. Let us imagine. Okay. I have some file. You may be having some file. When we mix everything, then only any code will run. Correct.
Yes.
So in order to take your file, okay, in a company, will we use a pen drive? No. Email? No. WhatsApp? No. We will not use any of this method. Then what is the method? How to exchange the file in the company? Via Git only. Okay. And one more thing which you can understand that example, people are asking me the example, I have an Excel file. Okay. Can Excel file can be loaded in the Git? See, only .txt format file. Which file?
.txt.
Text kind of files only. Okay. See, any file, example, if you ask from the Word, can I upload the file, Word file, Excel file, PowerPoint file? See, code related. Code will you write in Word? Code will you write in PowerPoint? Plain format, PNG format, JPG format, MP4 format. Code normally will be in which format?
Text document.
Text document. All your any kind of codes will be in the text document formats. Okay. Keep in mind. Okay. In the Git, they are your version control tool. Support only text document kind of file. Right. Is it clear? Doc. Then what is this? Microsoft Word. Microsoft PowerPoint.
Microsoft Excel.
Microsoft Excel. Or PNG, JPEG. Okay. They are all which kind of file? Image kind of file. MP4, MVI. They are all which kind of file? Video format file. One may be video kind of files. They are audio kind of file. Will your Git will support all this? You'll not use the Git or any version control tools won't support this formats of file. Okay. Actually, normally we'll develop any code. The code will be in which format? Will be in the MP3 format, MP4 format, image format, Excel format, PowerPoint format, or doc format. Which format? It's in the
Text forms.
text document format only. All your code file will be in the text document format only. Okay. So your version control tools won't help any of this activity, only text document kind of file. What do you mean by text document of file? Come here, new, what is this? Text document. Here, example, you can write C. Now it become what? C. Now, CPP or Python like this. They are all text document kind of file. Now what my student is telling me, they, can I do like this? I'll open PowerPoint. Okay, what you did, I also try to do like this. Can we do like this? This specifically which kind of files? PowerPoint files. So in PowerPoint files, if you try to do the extension, it won't become like a text file. Coding, which is now student will tell, can I write like this? See, they are always, it need to be in which format? The text document. Okay. Let me know if you have any other thing. Okay, clear? So version control tools are only for what format? Text document file. Not allowed files are what? Document, PowerPoint, PPTs, image format, MP4 format, MP3 format. Like this, they are all non-supported formats. Next, we had one more called as what? Jira. What is Jira? Complaint. If you want to raise any complaint, bugs. Okay, you will file in what? Jira. How to file? I have said you everything. What are the fields will be there in that? What are the fields? Can you tell me? Some description. Next step. Assign. Assign means on whom you need to raise a complaint. Correct? On whom you need to raise a complaint or ticket. Next step. Reporter. You. Correct? Next. Attachment. Next. Issue type. Okay. Severity. Is it very critical? How quickly? Example. In the text document, they have done one typo mistake. Typing mistake they have done. Is it very severe? You want that to get it resolved now only, or later any point of time they can do it. Severity low or high? Low. Document they have done some typing mistake, no problem. But code, if you do the typing mistake, it's urgent. It's urgent. Severe. Okay, like that. All you need to. Okay, there are various fields and all. Finally, after all fields you fill, you will get a Jira. Okay. See, I'll tell you one thing. Jira is very, very important. Okay. Why? Because see, now you will go to some company. You will go to the Qualcomm or Intel or anything. You will go. See, I'll just tell you how Jira was very helpful for me. Not only me, for everyone. Okay. Example, tomorrow you will go to the company, you will get some kind of a work. You got one error. You will get one error. What you will do? Will you ask your senior? Will your senior will help? Huh? No. You are the one who need to do. How you will get to know that where the error is coming or how to resolve that error? He tells that, sir, I'll copy paste in chat GPT. Okay. See, chat GPT have your file structure of your company. Which are the files you want? Can you copy an entire 10,000 files you have? One file, if you want to copy, you copy, give it to the chat GPT and tell where is the mistake, it will tell you. Example, you are in AMD, something like that. You have 10, almost 50,000 files. So how many files you will copy to the chat GPT? Chat GPT won't allow more than 10 files in one go. Correct. When you will upload 10,000 or 50,000 files, how will you get to know where is the error? If you get any bug in the company, how will you resolve? Jira is one which will help you a lot. The reason, see, some kind of error you got it, suppose. Okay. This kind of error in your company, maybe in last 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, anyone might have got this kind of error. Pakka. If you get an error, where you will write your complaint?
Jira.
Jira. You also got the similar error. Okay. Then can't you leverage that? Okay, how he resolved it? Okay. See, you need to check whatever your error is there. No, go and copy to the Jira. See, next time when you come to me, no, for your post placement support. Okay. See, I'll not be knowing all your file structure. Do I know? Okay. Maybe Intel if you come, I know. Maybe Qualcomm, maybe Western Digital, or maybe AMD. Beyond this, I don't know the client. Okay. Maybe you are maybe NVIDIA person or anything. Correct. See, whichever the work company you worked, I know the structures and I can help you out. Now, once you come for a post placement support, if you get any error, what I'll do, first I'll take your error. I'll put in a Jira and I'll check. Anyone has got this kind of an error. If he got, what is the solution he has done? I'll read the entire Jira. If I read the entire Jira, will I get some clue? By that, can I solve that problem? See, at least someone if show the path, which are the files you need to look or what. In the Jira, what happened? Normally, you'll get the solutions. Because like you, someone might have filed a one complaint. Okay. See, always keep in mind, whenever there is a Jira, one person will raise a complaint and another will give the solution for it.
Anyone can do a solution.
I have raised a complaint against you. Okay, I'm a verification engineer. You are I mean, there is some bug I have got, and you are the design engineer. I will file against you. Okay, you or your team, design people team, I'll file it. Okay, then what happens? Being a designer, it's your job to reply to that, or your team job. Suppose if you don't get, you will find a solution from other people and try to give me a solution because it's your headache now, not my headache. Okay, so as a result, will it help? Jira? Keep in mind, Jira is one which will help a lot. Okay, in the company, you will not be get. You are not supposed to. I mean, you will won't get to develop the code from scratch and all. You'll get the problem. You need to solve. Now, for any problem, if you get any problem statement, where you need to copy paste first?
Jira.
Jira. Jira, you copy paste. Okay, maybe fully you copy paste or partially, bit by bit, you do it. Okay, somewhere else relevant, you will get it. Okay, that is enough. Even if you 10, 15 people, you will get similar error and they had approach different. Normally, what we will do? Okay, even maybe in AMD, what I'll do? Do I know, man, we'll join for 1 year, 2 year. We'll leave after 2 years. If anyone will give good package, we'll jump. Correct. We are like a monkey. Wherever a peanut will they will throw more, we will go there. Do you think in 1 or 2 years we can learn entire their structure? Highly impossible. Then what? How we will do? Jira. Jira is given, which will help us. Okay. Because I don't know any file structure or anything. I'll go to the Jira. I'll check what the solution the people had done, and the similar solution I'll also try to put. Clear? Is it Jira is very important now?
This is
Diff tool. What is the diff tool? Or file comparison tool also we can from correct? Different tool on file comparison tool. What are the different diff tools we have?
DD,
GVM diff, TK diff, melt, beyond compare. Okay, what this file will, what this tool will do? It will compare
both the boards.
both the files. Both the files. See, I'll show you how they will gonna help. Okay. Normally, in your college days, your friend has written a palindrome and you also have to written a palindrome. You will tell him, and exactly I have written like you only, but I'm not getting output. Then what you'll do? You'll go to his place, you'll take his picture, you'll come, you'll do check line by line. That is what you will do, correct? Okay. Is it really mobile picture is needed? Okay. If you would have known this tool in your engineering, it would have helped you a lot. Correct. What this will do? Left hand side, you keep your what? Front file. Right hand side, you keep your file. It will immediately will tell you where are the mistakes. Even if you make a one small dot also, that will tell you. Correct. So which are the tools we have? Beyond compare, meld, TKD, GVM. Now, which tool is better? They is better. Okay.
Melt beyond compare.
What about TKD? I don't like TKD. Why? Why I don't like TKD? It's a view only, you cannot edit. It will tell where are the problems. That's it. If you want to modify, you need to open GVM and there you need to modify. In beyond compare, can you modify there only? Which is better?
Yes, sir.
Beyond compare is better, right? TK diff. I don't like. GVM diff.
You also and edit also. Sir.
It's editor. Do you like GVM diff? If no, why? Here extra commands you need to remember. See, beyond compare. Even if I give you, you know, you can take the arrow will be there. Do you remember? Huh? If you want this changes, press this button. If you want this changes, press this button. This will come here. Correct. GVM diff won't happen like that. In the GVM diff, what happens? There is a command. You need to press that command from left to right. For right to left, again you need to press one more command. Then only, okay. I not remember the command because I never use it. I'll just tell you the command. Left hand side to right hand side. What do you need to do? DP. RHS to LHS. If you want to, you need what?
DC,
DC.
DO,
Sorry. DC and sorry, DP and DO. Left hand side changes you want in right hand side. Stand in left hand side and tell DP. That changes will come to right hand side. Right hand side some changes you want in left hand side. Okay. You try and tell what? DO. Then what happens? You get some here. Like this commands and all you are supposed to remember. In meld or GVM beyond compare, do you need to remember any command? Nothing. Nothing you need to remember. Yes. See, I'll tell you. So many people in the company still don't know melt and beyond compare. There is some kind of tool. Okay. They still use like a GMT for TK different one. They will kindly stop using the cursor, or else we other than removing, we don't have other option. Okay. See, next, I have written all this one here. View only. Here, need to remember command, command and beyond command. Correct. Confluence page. What is this confluence page? Confluence page. And one more, you will get it like a wiki. Okay. Wiki, people will call it wiki or twiki. Twiki. Wikipedia. What is Wikipedia? Have you heard Wikipedia? What is Wikipedia? See, if you search anything, first to search will come, I got Wikipedia. What is Wikipedia? About any information normally you can get in Wikipedia, correct? Huh? All that. In company, okay, do you think company information all you will get in Wikipedia? There where you will find either conference page or Wiki. Okay. Wiki is also like a Wikipedia. Wikipedia global. Okay. This is particular to that company. Okay. If example, some tool particularly or some command, okay. Example, imagine like something. I have written any some vague word here. Okay. I don't know what this word command will do. Go and check in Wiki or conference page. You'll get to know that what is this command is used for in AMD or Intel. That company, Twiki or Wiki, you can go. Wiki we don't have that. Wiki itself will call as what? Wiki. Okay, or conference page. Clear? So here all will get a any PDF link, any information, any reading files and all, you will get it here. Okay. Anyone have any note? Conference page. Why is the conference page is needed here? Wiki or conference page we use to search what? Any information. If you want any information now, you will go to ChatGPT and all. Correct. But company whatever we need it, that you won't find in ChatGPT and all. Okay, that you will find it where? Wiki or conference. Okay. Here. One more we have team. See now you need to tell me. Example. Imagine I want to know how to prepare a rice. Okay. The what I wanted to search how to prepare rice or poha or something like that. What you will do? You are no one is there next to you. You have mobile. Now what you will do?
You will search on YouTube.
First, Google search. Google search will give in which format? Text format or video format?
Next one.
One here. Anything if you want, you can do a text format search. Is it only one way you have?
Video.
Video format. Correct. Any information if you need, you can do in two formats. Correct. Any third format? Third have you have? Anyone have a third way? No, right? Either you will get it text format or video format. Okay. Text format means let us imagine public in the public this one will search in what? Google. Video?
YouTube.
YouTube. Company. Where means Just now I said Twiki or only text is enough. Sometimes what happens? Text will not give much information. So you want to watch what? Video. Where you will find? Example related to the AMD flow. AMD, we have one flow called as DJDV flow. DJ flow. Okay. Okay. There is something called DJ flow. Don't think that we call a DJ and all. Okay, DJ flow. Anyone? Okay. To run any command and all, we call DJDV flow. Okay. Dispatch job. How to dispatch a job. Okay. Now, DJDV flow we have suppose. Now, once you go to the company, okay, you need to know, right, how all the jobs will be dispatched or how I need to run it. Okay. Only command will be help. Sometimes we only may need to watch the video. Where you will find the company video. Team. Microsoft Team. Don't ask anyone. Okay. Once you go to the client, okay, just try to get that stream link. Okay. Simply if you type Microsoft Stream, you'll get it. Okay. Normally, if you go and search there, okay, example, AMD, how to run the jobs. Okay, something command or simulation, something whatever you give, want to give, you give it. One or other videos, you will get it. Watch 3, 4 videos. Okay, you will get a clarity. Next time when you go for any meeting and all, even though you are fresher, okay, you can able to understand what they are telling, and even you can start contributing into that. Okay, being a fresher, okay, in 1 or 2 days, you by yourself all explored all this kind of information. Literally, your manager will feel happy. How he got to know everything. Okay, it simply will ask you one question: have you worked in AMD before? If no, then how you go? How you know all this? This kind of words literally please us, correct? Will make us happy. So don't be in a bigger format. Okay, I said you know. If you want anything, go and ask in Twiki or Conference Page or
Stream.
Stream. Microsoft Stream. If you go there, you can do it. Anyone have any doubt? Now, one more thing. If you have any, like if you want to message or anything, normally what you'll use? WhatsApp. Public video, WhatsApp you'll use. Company, okay. Chat. If you want to do chat, what you'll use in public domain? WhatsApp. Here, Teams. Microsoft Teams. What do you use?
Microsoft Teams.
Microsoft Teams. They are all basic things you are supposed to know everything. Next, if you want to email, what do you use in public domain?
Gmail.
Gmail. Company, out. They are also from Microsoft. Microsoft. Microsoft Outlook, Microsoft Teams, Microsoft Stream, all are Microsoft. You will get some kind of problem. You want to check with your health person. Okay. Maybe you I may next to you, but I won't come to your desk. If I come like no, I will feel like a beggar feeling. Will message like from there only. Okay. See, normally what happens when in a company, if you keep going to someone like it will create nuisance. It look odd and it will hamper your image. What this person will be coming every time 5 minutes and all. But message from Teams. Always there is a better option. Teams you use it. Just send him and what is the for this I'm getting this image and all you send this kind of problem, what to do. That is always a better. You write it below. Text format. Search. In public domain text, what? Google you will use. Company. Wikia. Conference. Here you use YouTube or yeah.
Microsoft Stream.
Chat if you want to use. Okay. We have what?
WhatsApp.
Okay, for chat we have WhatsApp. In our public domain you have
Teams.
Teams, Microsoft Teams. Very good. Next, email if you want.
Gmail.
Gmail.
Outlook.
Yeah. Let's can we move on? So what is text format searching, YouTube video format searching, maybe chatting how to do, maybe email how to do. Okay, that all I have said to you. Let's move to the next one. Now, if you remember, what do you call this one? And what do you call this one?
Function.
Function, definition, function, calling. Definition and calling.
Sorry.
Correct. We have three types. One is function, definition, declaration, function, calling, definition, and function,
Declaration.
declaration, definition, and calling. Declaration optional or mandatory? Optional. If you want, you can write it, or if you don't want, you can ignore it. If you remember, you can check one example I made you to write. Declaration, definition, and calling. All three I made you to write in last time by the keyword called extern, EXTERN. You have used and you might have noted down. If not, shall just tell you again. Extern. Here. Now you tell me here. What do you call this one? Display. Function what? Declaration.
Declaration.
What is this? Function definition. Display declaration you did. Display definition you did. Display calling. So we have three people. Declaration, definition, and calling. But okay, the optional, these two are what? Mandatory. Yes. Now, what do you call this person? Definition. What do you call this person? Call. Yeah. Now, here, if you see all these are what? Function definition. They're all function definition. With the what? Same name or different name? Same name. But what is the difference?
Signature is different.
Shall I call argument or shall I call signature? What is the difference? Tell me.
Signature we need to call.
Why? argument you call now? What is the difference? What is the problem? If you call argument, what is the problem? Correct. Signature is correct word. Why? Okay, how many argument you have here? Will you tell function with same name and different argument? Argument are same, but can we have these two kind of functions in a one code? Yes, that is allowed. Why? Name is same, argument is same, but what is it? You are not supposed to call argument. Argument means what happens? One argument and two argument. Better they are, I mean, what to call? Here, 1 minute. Now, this and this, you take it. What is the difference between these two? Data type is different. Correct? Arguments are same, but what is different?
Data types.
Data type is different. Okay. Now, 1 and 2. Okay. Now, 1 and 3 you compare and tell me what is the problem? What is same? What is different? Data type same, but argument different. See, try to understand what I am telling you. Here, what happened? Argument same, but data type is different. Here, what happened? Data type is what? Same, but what? Argument is different. So, if you tell argument, that won't go well. So, what to call? Argument and data type put together, it's called like what?
Signature.
Signature. Okay. Same name, same signature. Okay. If you tell argument only one word, okay, then what happens? Both are holds good true. Okay. But here what goes wrong? Data type goes wrong. So better to use which word? Data type or sorry, what? Argument or signature? Signature is a proper word. Don't tell argument is different. Here argument is different or same? Argument is same, but what is different? Data type is different. So better to call what? Signature. See, in a company, if you want to search any word or anything, we normally use what? Grep. See, I'll just show you. This is the Linux. Okay, just give me 1 minute. Grep. Mine I yeah. The word I need to search. How will you search in a company? Any word? Via what command you will search? Grep. G for global. REP for regular expression. Okay. I means what? Case insensitive. Okay. It can be capital APB or a small letter APB, anything you need to search. Okay. This is the Linux command. So write it in a separate page. Okay. Linux related command and all, Linux and all, always write in separate page. What does this stand for? Global, regular. Offline people may be knowing what is a regular expression, correct? What is regular expression? Maybe just last week we have done what? Perl Python scripting. There I have explained what is a regular expression. So it's a search for any search or anything. We use what? Regular expression. Global regular expression we call. Here I means what? Insensitive. What is insensitive? If you want to search APB, I'll search it. APB, they also I'll search. APB, they also I'll search. If you remove I, what word letter you will give, it will search only in that format only. Okay. Here what happens? Case ignorance will happen. You write capital letter, small letter, everything it will search for you. Clear? What are recursive? What do you mean by R? Recursive. Okay. What is recursive? See, example here in this folder, maybe A folder, maybe B folder, maybe C, maybe D. Okay. I will give the path of this example. Okay. You need to search that content in this also. Maybe if you have in this subdirectory, go and check in every subdirectory from A folder. If it is in a B folder, search that word is there or not. C folder, if it is there or not, you search. D also you search. That is what? You just need to search only in A path, or you need to search all in the down hierarchy. Down hierarchy, all you need to search, right? If that is the case, you just give R. If you won't give R, no problem. You don't give R. Where I will search? Only R means recursive. Recursive means fraud. If you remove R, I'll check only here. If make a note of this. Done? Okay. See, I think normally what happen if you want to search where is the word EPP means, you'll do what? Grep. Okay. But now you only see for a while. I'll give one more grep here. Print grep I have given. What is the problem I happen to me? It is giving the calling. Where the calling is happening? Here. Just give me one minute. I just want to click for you something so you get a clarity. What? Okay. Tell me what is this two people? Okay, what is the first one? Okay, here what is the first one? What is the first one? What is the second one? Okay. What is first one? What is second one? First one calling. Declaration or definition?
Definition.
Definition. See, actually, when you search, entire whole code you will not get. First, wherever the print word is there, that will try to match. If you get any word before that as a function, it means keep in mind that is what always. You come here. For declaration, you need to have a word called I got extern. If extern word is not there, only function is there. What do you call that? Now what is this? And what is it? Calling. Now you tell me what, okay. Where is the declaration? Where is the definition? In which file declaration you have done? Where you have done the definition? see now here file name is there no? Definition is in which file? Transaction, one file called as transaction. And calling is from which one?
Generator.
Generator. So it means I said to last class, I can do the declaration somewhere else, definition, sorry, I can write definition somewhere else, I can do the calling from somewhere else, correct? So both are in same file or both are in different file? Different. Now my question to you, example, you are in generator code. Let us imagine you are in generator code. You want to see man, what is the print definition, what it is written. Okay. So how you will get to know that print definition is written in which file? How you will get to know? Question is clear. You opened generator file. Which file you have opened? Generator. And generator you will see like this. So is it a calling? Correct. So you will feel like, hey man, calling is happening. Where is the definition is available? Okay. How you will get to know in which file the definition is been written? First thing, the people who don't know key tag and all, they will do this method. What method? Grep. Why the grep? Can I find where is the print? Huh? But what is the drawback here? This one grep. What is the drawback here? Huh? Whichever related to the print, everyone will come. Print, printer, printing, any word which is there in that whole path, everything will come. Correct? Junk also will come. So many junk. See here. Now, you need all this. They all feel like what? Junk. Actually, you only need this line, calling and definition. But only calling and definition will come, or so many junk also will come here. See, I have only 25. That is the reason so many, this much junk I got it. But in company and all what? If you just give print and do grep, you will get big line, almost 50,000 line, 1 lakh line, only on print you will get it. In that 50,000 to 1 lakh line, where you find where is that actually the required definition is there, how will you get to know? See, here also, if you do grep, you need to slowly search again, right? What is the problem here in the grep? Example, you are doing calling Baba here, you are doing calling. Slowly you need to check where the definition is written, in which file they have written. Slowly you will check one by one, correct? When you check slowly, you will get to know that the definition is been written here. In which file? Here. Have you scrolled and have you checked? Correct. You need to check everywhere. Correct. Will it take time? Okay. See, I have 25 for that only. You need this much time. At least you will take 1 minute. But in company and all, 50,000 print will come. If you take printer, 50,000 to 1 lakh, only one print word will be there because print will match with printing, printer, everything it will match. Now, what is my requirement? Okay, my requirement is that I just wanted to, from the print, I wanted to directly go to the definition. I don't want all this nonsense. So how will you do that? Why? What will happen? You go and stand where? Calling. If you stand on calling, and if you press what? Control and mouse left arrow, left button, if you press it, directly, you know what happened? You will jump from here to here directly. See, if you are in this file, okay, you will open generator. On the generator, you go and stand here. You stand here and press Control plus mouse left button. If you press now, directly you will go to this file. When just in 1 second, you will go to that file. Where the definition is there, you will go there only. Which is better? That is better or this is better? This is called a sheet. Okay. Maybe like a offline class, maybe tomorrow, day after tomorrow, we'll be doing the sheet tag only. Detailed explanation, the morning class. Clear? You got some idea? What the sheet tag will do? Any definitions, okay, or if you want to find it, why the sheet tag, you can just find it in 1 second. Clear? Okay, let me know if any doubt. No doubt? Can we move on? So I think I have already shared the steps to create a C type. Go and stand on that whatever the function name will be there. Press Control plus mouse left button key will go inside that particular file. These are all the things you have learned last class. So now GBIM, you know, Chrome tab. What is Chrome tab? Scheduler. If you want to set any job for a particular time, you can do I what Chrome tab. C tag, you know, make file outcome. Melt it, GBIM with TKD call, you know, Git, you know, Bitbucket, you know, Confluence page, you know, Jira, you know, Perl and Python. These are for what? Perl is one language. Python is only what? One language. For Perl, you will use Perl 2. For Python, you will use what? Python 2. Okay. And what you can make file? Yeah. Let me have. These three are all kind of a script. Okay. For Perl script, you will use what tool? Perl 2. Okay. See, I'll take right. Now I'll take these three. Scripting. We can have three types of script. Okay. Mainly three is needed, but I'll teach you something else different also. Okay. Strawberry Perl is for which script? Perl script. For the for Python script. The for shell script. So I can write like this: Perl, Python, shell. Now one thing here. Will it work in Windows? Perl? This one? Did it work? No. We have majorly two platforms in a laptop. In any computer, how many platforms we have normally? Either Windows or Linux. Okay. Linux for Perl. Can we use the Perl in Linux? Yes, it will work. In Python also will work in Linux. Shell will work in Linux. Yes. Yes. See, people will tell like shell. Nitesh, I have used a shell in Windows only. You not use the shell. That is a PowerShell. Different. One more is that PowerShell. Okay, we get different shell. Now here. The file extension. Perl file will be in which format? .pl. Python in? Shell in?
.sh.
.sh. Then not only .sh, you write it. .sh, .shrc,
Yes, that's all.
.chs, .shrc, .ksh, .kshrc, .tsh, .ps, rc. Different type like this. Bourne shell, C shell, corn shell, T shell, like that. We have. Okay, shell only different type of shell. Shell in Linux will be called as Bourne shell, corn shell, C shell, T shell, bash shell. Wait.
Sir, what is the difference between boron shell and bash shells?
Anyway. As of now, if you are asking now in current era, no difference at all. You can write it in any format. See, bond cells are which format?
Yes, sir.
Here. They are which types of cell?
Bond cell.
Bond cell. Either you can use .sh or SHRC. SH means cell. SHRC means cell root configuration. RC means
Root combination.
root configuration. They are which kind of cell? Bond cell. Then what is CHS? Stand for C cell. What is KHH stand for? On cell. What is TSH stand for? T cell. Okay. So what you can write here H. What I suggest to you. Dot SHRC. Dot KSH
RC.
RC.
UFSR.
Dot TSHRC. Dot TSH. TCHS. Dot SHRC or here. Now they are all types of a cell. Okay, in Linux. Okay, see again. Windows also we have a cell.
Sir, for how many classes you are going to teach only these tools and all, sir?
They will go till today or tomorrow. Okay. Because see, one thing keep in mind, without foundation, if you start anything, no, nothing will get it. Okay. Now almost we have done with foundation and all the things we have done. Maybe today or tomorrow it will complete. Then we'll start with the topic. One by one topic we will start.
Topic means schemes.
No, concept.
Concept.
Concepts.
Like, what are the concepts you will teach, sir?
All will means that here whatever I have given in the introduction, right? They are all the topics you need to study to get a job for you. Language you need to study, then you need to study scripting, you need to study tools, you need to study miscellaneous topics, you need to know the stages of verification. Okay, you need to know the protocol. If you know everything, then only you can get a job. Okay, one by one, you'll start. See, first the thing was to give an introduction of all these things. Okay, I have, if you remember, I have given an introduction on language. Scripting, I have already said. Tools, I have. Still here, nothing is there. Resume and all I have given, but I need to do the resume correction. And staging of verification, I need to tell today. So once this is done, so your introductions are done. Okay, then only now.
But till now, only we have did the introductions, sir.
See, I should know VLSI is a vast domain, man. Okay. If you want immediate, I can start it. Okay. I'll start EPB directly today only. For me, no problem. But what is the problem? You'll not have proper base only. Yeah? See, one thing keep in mind, you will be going to the big companies like a Qualcomm, Samsung, and all big companies you'll be going. Okay. Without foundation, you cannot go. Is it clear? Do you think now see, I'll just ask you one thing to you people. We almost spent 2 to 3 class. Do you think these tools are important or optional? Have you learned something? Correct.
These are the things we being used
Every day. Okay. Without that, simply okay, sir, you teach me very long. I'll teach you very long. But will that language will help or the language you need to use in the format of tools only, right? So without introduction, without a proper foundation, you cannot do anything. Okay. See, first, if you remember, first class I have given you all the topics name. Then I have started telling on each. Okay. Then only we'll go into one topic. Okay. First, I need to complete all what you will be learning in each topic. Okay. Again, here also, Windows also we have one more product, PowerShell. Okay. That extension will be what?
Yes.
PS. Here. And Linux we have, these are the shells we have it. Clear? Anyone? For all your automation, you need to use this one. Now, people are asking, what is this shell? Corn shell, bone shell, C shell, T shell, bash shell. Okay. See, if you go down 10 year down the lane and all. Okay. Wait. I have one scripter. Just give me 1 minute and just doing something. Only get it done. Here first lane you have given. Leave about all. What is SS stand for? Script.
Shell.
Okay. Which shell now is
Bash.
Bash. Okay. Now the same code. Okay. You tell I need the same code in con shell, T shell, C shell. Code wise, you will not find one line difference also. You will not find any difference. See, if you go 10 years down the lane, what happened? Con is one person name, born is one person name, bash is one person. They all said like I will also create one Linux environment. He said I will also create my own Linux environment. Okay. Then what happened? Now today here, if you are asking, we took the beauty of all the shells and we have a general shell only. It has the beauty of all the shells we have to terminal. Okay. Now we know don't have anything called a C shell. If you run, the code will be different. T if you run something different now. You can write in any kind of extension, code will be same only. Okay. What will change here? Only the one line will change. Okay. See, I need above all. What changes?
Yes, yes.
Only first line will change. And that line also, if you want to write it, man, or else you delete that line. It's of no use. Okay. That one. I highlighted. No? Look. This line. This line. If you want, you can write it, or else you don't write it. So ultimately, what is the conclusion? Tell me. Con shell code, bot shell, T shell, C shell, all codes are same or different? Same. Where is the difference? That first line is different. That first line, if I remove, there is no rule like you need to write like that first line. For con shell, you need to write like this. For bash shell, you need to write like this. Okay. Even Nitesh, can I remove that line? You remove that line. Okay, that line is of no importance at all. Even without that, also your code will work fine. So it means con shell, T shell, B shell, these all are same coding. Okay, but you can use any file name of your choice. You can use any extension type. You can use it. People will tell, can you say, shall I create shell script and shall I add dot sh? You do it. SHR, you use it. Any kind of extension you can add it. But normally all will run properly. You don't have to worry for anything. All will run properly. Okay. Normally, highest used is this kind of format. What is the extension normally the people use? Majorly every company, SH, SHRG, KH, KHRG. KH, TH, they are all rarely used. But no, I will use it. You use it, code is same, running is also the same way. Clear? Anyone have any doubt? Now, one more thing here. I'll write. Now, how will you run this Perl script? If you want to run return Perl a.pl, whatever, correct? Now Perl script will run, correct? For Python, how will it will run?
py
Python.
python a.py.
Now what will happen? Python script will run. For shell,
sh
how to run the shell script? Source. Okay, or else this is the way to run shell script. Okay, note down all this one because in the company they are all every first day work. They are all okay. First day only you need to create this shell script in your. Once you go to Qualcomm, Transcribe, any big company you go, first day this file only you need to create. You don't have any other work. Okay. This file only first day of your job is this only. Okay. You will create any of this kind of files. Okay. And to run this file, what is the command? Source a.sh or this is the way. If this not work, this will work, or this or both will work. You need to try. One small question. Which river of India? Okay. Where you will get normally all the stones are all of Shivlinga type. Normally, how the Shivlinga will be there? Oval shape, egg shape type. Correct? Pebble, that stone and all. Correct.
You break in that we will break also. There will be one round.
Pardon?
We'll break the rock also. It will be in round shape, sphere shape, right?
No, my question was that entire river is like that only. Entire river is of Shivlinga. So that was the reason. Atal Bihari Vajpayee, he was a great poet. Okay. He said one thing. हर कंकर में शंकर है. हर कंकर में शंकर है. Shankar means what? Pebble. Okay. Every pebble you'll find a shilling. Huh? Sir?
No.
Normally, almost all the stones will be like this. They are like a Shilinga type, correct? On all the stones, if you go to the Narmada banks, they are of this type.
Sir, show your face, sir.
You want to see my proposal? Man, February 14th, go on. Okay, man, see. ये बोला
1 second, sir.
take the picture, man. Okay, night you can remember. Okay, my face is visible. Okay.
So,
Any girl would have, I would have been very happy today. Yes. See what I'll tell you on okay. Long back up. Okay. Normally what happened? My brother-in-law, his name is Santosh. Okay. So one day I got some work, so I thought like I need to talk to him. And Santosh, his name. Okay. I was not knowing he changed the SIM. I had his number. Okay. I just sent hi. Okay. From there, Hindra has called me. Then I got to know that. Okay. I just hi Santoshi, I need this one. Okay. From the opposite, I took a video call. Okay. When I lifted on, Hindra is coming. Literally, I got shocked. Then I sent my father-in-law. See, night 12 o'clock, one Hindra called me. Take this number, it may help you for you. See, you are asking to see my face, I don't know. Okay. But today would have been it would have been made my day if girls would have asked me this question. All the self-scripting I have explained to you. See, normally, if you see here, I have completed every topic from here. Okay. Maybe all I have said, they are all I have said. Linux and Ubuntu is a platform, you know, right? Huh? Normally, make file. What is a make file means? Here I'll tell you. Shell scripts are normally called make. What we call make file. Shell script we call like what make file. Okay, when you run the tool and all, the files will be very huge. Make file. Shell scripts are normally called like what make file. And you know one more thing here. Whichever or Shiva temples are there, right? India Shiva temple. Now that Manjunatha song, movie song was going on, right? That in that there is a breathless song is there one. I not remember that song. Manjunatha movie, Swami Manjunatha movie, there is a one breathless song is there. You know, breathless song, you know. In one they will tell, okay. In that he will tell all the Shiva temple names. Next time when you see here, in India, one way. See, all the Shiva temples are located in one lane of India. So how our ancient people were. We didn't have technology and all those times. They are all developed by different kingdoms. Okay, and all these temples are, in a straight line of the Indian map. Okay, Kedarnath, Kaleshwaram, Kanchipuram, Srila, they are all a Shiva temple, and all these Shiva temples are on this one straight line. Okay, the happening is like all the temple not built by same Raja, same king. They developed by example Chola, maybe Vijayanagar Empire, maybe different empires, and all these temples are in what one straight line. Okay. Let's move on. Next topic, make file and all done. Next is our agenda. What is IP? What is subsystem? What is SOC? Stages of verification. Okay, see, we have only RTL stage, TLS, or pattern. The one way of verification. Another way of verification will be what? IP, subsystem, and SOC. See, what is RTL? What is GLS? You know very well. I think we started with that only. You know very well. Okay, leave that. Let us concentrate on IP, subsystem, and SOC. What is IP? What is subsystem? What is SOC? IP stands for intellectual property. SS means subsystem. SOC means system. Now people are asking me, what is IP? What is subsystem? What is SOC? Okay. You can draw this diagram so you'll get a clarity. See, can you people tell me some wireless device in your laptop? Wireless devices.
Wi-Fi, Bluetooth.
Correct. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. And what are the devices?
NICs. NIC.
Spelling? Pardon? NFIC.
NIC.
NIC. Nick. Okay. Wi-Fi, do we have? Okay. We have Wi-Fi. We have GPH.
Acceleration.
Correct. Bluetooth. All are wireless device. Do you agree?
What's meant by NIC?
For card and all.
For mobile audio.
When my laptop also will come. Click. Wireless.
Network interface cards.
Network interface card. Subsystem. Like not NIC, NFIC something is not.
NFIC.
NFIC, no?
NF98.
One more wireless is there. NIC wireless I doubt. Is it a wireless? Okay, double check. That is NFIC or you need to tell or NIC. Okay, check. Double check, huh? I'll just keep that in cross mark. Okay. Rest you can note. Next. Can you tell me some memory devices? Or
RAM, ROM.
okay. RAM, ROM, EEPROM, flash, cache, like that. Correct? RAM can I run? ROM, EEPROM, flash, then cache, all are what? Memory type? Leave it. Can you tell me some IO devices? USB.
Keyboards.
keyboard,
Printer,
mouse,
Printer.
stylus. This pen is called like what? It's stylus, right? Yeah, what shall I write? IO device, IO subsystem. Now, what is this? You need to tell me three options I'll give you. IP, subsystem, SOC. What is this? Wi-Fi. What is the Wi-Fi is called as? What is the Wi-Fi? IP, subsystem or SOC? Group of similar IP will become what? Subsystem. Group of subsystem will become what? Okay. What is this now? Wi-Fi. What is GPS?
IP.
What is Bluetooth?
IP.
Group of similar IP is called as what?
Subsystem.
One subsystem. Okay. What is RAM? IP. All are one an IP. Group of similar IP I made as what? One subsystem. Can I add RAM here?
No.
Why you said no? That is one IP, no? Similar IP I said, correct. So we categorized in memory subsystem. What is this? Wireless subsystem. What is this? IO subsystem. Like the lot of subsystems we will have. Okay. That all subsystem along with processor subsystem is called like what? SOC, system on chip. What is IP clear? IP is a tiny part. Group of that IP are called like what?
Subsystem.
Group of subsystem along with.
Oh, sir. It's
It's
called
called SOC. You think note down the diagram, then I will write the definition. I think if you have read today's newspaper, almost 6,000 crore, 7,000 crore again investment, one more came for Tamil Nadu.
Yes, sir. Today we can get into processing.
You have changed नाम फिर से तो नाम डाली इसलिए on there.
You are receiving, sir.
That is my number.
I have also shared, sir, today.
See, get ready. 20th, you have drive, you know, right?
Which company, sir?
I'll send it again in the group. Okay, make sure all the people need to participate. Okay. Even if you are a fresher, try and attend. Okay. Resumes you already know. 20th of this February. I'll just send you in a group again all this detail. Okay. At least if you are very newly joined, at least try to complete one topic called digital. Okay. If you are already somewhat old, then almost all the topic you are supposed to complete. Okay. Go and attend that drive. Okay. See, now only if you start, then only your placement will happen. Because if you start like after the placement drive get over, you won't get it. See, I said, leave the placement curve always. Okay, make sure you start from the beginning always. Okay. No matter what is your preparation and all. Okay, even 26 passport also, go and attend. Okay.
sir, you're telling for offline or online?
See, offline means because for you people topic still not started, right? Maybe from tomorrow we will start because all the introduction has completed. We'll be going to complete today. From tomorrow we'll start. Even if you want to go, you can go, but not even one topic also been done, right? But at least offline, what happens? 14 hours the people will be coming every day, and including Saturday. So then what happens? They will complete early, right? And for you people, like tomorrow onwards, we'll start. Okay, almost all the introduction Whatever I wanted to give, everything I have completed. There is the only one last topic, what is IP subsystem SOC. I think that also will complete. Then you cannot tell like I have not given any introduction. Okay, all is done. Only now topic need to be started. Done? Can we move on?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, no, I didn't get it. You want me to wait or can I delete? Done?
Move on, sir. Move on.
See, IP. Okay. Smallest module of the thick is called as IP or any party pattern. Group of IP will make what? Group of human subsystem. Group of subsystem. Along with procedure is very important. Subsystem is called as SOC. What is called? Okay. Now, is it what is IP subsystem SOC are clear to everyone? How many people celebrated last Sunday? Festival celebrated, huh? Valentine. Online people. No one? Wait. Can we do? Okay. See. Now, IP, which language we use normally for IP verification? Keep in mind, IP verification is now different topic. Subsystem verification is different topic. SOC verification is different topic. IP verification, you are an IP verification engineer. Which are the languages you need to know now?
Very long. It's a very long. EVM.
They are the three languages you are supposed to. That's it. Now you are an SOC verification engineer. Which are the language you need to know? Assembly language, microcontroller, microprocessor. C language, CPP language. Okay. See, HOC also need all these languages only. Okay. Here we cannot tell like the only these three languages. Even we need Verilog, System Verilog, UVM also. If you get any doubt, again we need to know all the language. But highly used, see, I'm just talking highly used. But that doesn't mean Verilog, System Verilog, UVM knowledge is not needed for HOC. No, highly used. I'm talking about. Here they are all being highly used. Okay. For HOC verification, normally C, CPP language you are supposed to use or assembly language. Okay. And so one thing keep in mind, if you are a HOC engineer, okay, they also will come then highly used. Okay, these are the three, but you are supposed to know all these languages. Now, and one more CPU architecture. They again one big topic only. Big headache is one. CPU architecture itself is one big topic. You can see that CPU architecture, one big book will come. Okay. Now tell me, which verification engineer need to now have high skill set? HOD package will be good for him only. Okay, highest package will be given for him. Okay. See, as a study, I had my one friend. She was IT engineer and I was a HOC engineer. Been hired. Both are like 3 years that time. Okay. Then the multiplication factor was he was being given with a 3 lakh rupees. Totally for 3 years, 9 lakh rupees. And I was given 6 lakh rupees. It means 18 lakh rupees. Normally, HOC engineer market value is very good. Okay. So keep in mind, you are supposed to know high skill set here. C, PPP, assembly language, Verilog, UVM. They are only DB language. Now again comes scripting. That is again a different. So around 10 different languages you are supposed. Any doubt? So you made a note? All the languages we are supposed to know or you have this one. Okay then. Then like from my side it's a full screen. Okay. Let me you just check at your side once. Okay. Just one last 2 minutes we will wind up for the day. See, first of all, if you remember, I have explained you different branches of VLSI. Right? And after explaining you what is VLSI and different branch of VLSI, I went into only one part of the VLSI, which is that design and verification. So after knowing all the branches, and then we move to one branch called like what? VLSI. That is a design and verification. In the design and verification, if you remember, what are the skill set or what are the things you need to study? Design verification engineer means all the topics you need to study. Correct. So I have explained you what is the language, what is the difference between each language. I already explained. Scripting also I have explained different tools. That also I think I have already explained to you. Stages of verification, that also I have explained to you. Next is protocol. APB, ASB, AHI, they are the like different protocols we have. I'll just give you brief what is a protocol. Okay, so that you'll get a clarity. See, monitor is one protocol. In the monitor, we use one protocol. See, camera, in the camera, which protocol we use? MIPI. Like that, monitor also, we have one protocol. Okay. Now, keyboard also have one protocol in that. Inside keyboard. Now imagine you will press A here. In the keyboard you will press A. Will that A will be visible here in the monitor? Correct. So these two people are called as peripheral. What is this protocol is called? Peripheral protocol. From the keyboard directly it will go to the monitor, or via the wire it will go. Okay, then what do you call this one? What do you call? Bus. So protocol, if you come, one is bus protocol, one is called peripheral protocol. Now, what is a protocol? Word, if you are asking, protocol, set of rules. What do you mean by protocol? Set of rules. Okay, we will be defining a set of rules to everything. Okay. Example, you take a PM. Okay. Can PM, I mean, cook will prepare a food, PM can have it?
You have a set of rules.
Prime Minister, even if the cook prepares food, before PM have the food, there is a protocol. That food will be served for different people first. After half an hour only, PM will be given to the PM. Who knows? You are a cook, you may put some poison in that. Chance is there? Pakka? So do you think we'll directly give it to the, no, there is a protocol. For everything, there is a protocol. See, example, you may be assistant commissioner of police. Okay. Now, whenever the PM will come, example, okay, ACP of your district may be there, okay, or DCP. Can you go directly to the PM? NIG command, just show one eye, that is enough. ACP need to keep quiet. Okay. Their power is next level. Okay. Where they will tell PM need to go like that only. Okay. If NIG will tell to the PM, please don't get out, get down from the car. PM need to be in the car only. Okay. If example, if any parade or anything, something is going on, if they just show one eye to the ACP, they need to keep quiet. Your assistant commissioner of police also coming, you are for your district. What I'll tell you need to do that. Okay. Their one eye also means they need to keep quiet. Okay. You can see that NIG directly can put the any police like that. Can you put the police like that? How you the common people, the police will push it, right? For the police personnel, can anyone push it? NIG. That is the point. This protocol, for everything there is a set of protocols are there. Okay. Example, Russian president, when he went to the US, do you know, even he urine, see Russian President Vladimir Putin went to the US. Do you think even he excrete, human waste will be there, right? Maybe urine or excrete. They won't live in US. They will pack in one cover and they will bring it to the Russia. Why? Why? Your urine or excrete they will pack and again they will bring to the Russia. Why US will get means,
They will find Putin weaknesses.
correct. Oh, their urine, why the your urine or excrete, I can get to know what are the diseases you have. You got it? Huh? If any sugar is there or anything is there, any kind of disease of that weakness of that president, you'll get to know immediately to catch hold of his urine or excrete. So that is the reason even if their excrete or urine, they will pack and they will bring it back. They will dispose it properly. They are all protocols. What is a protocol? Set of rules. Maybe for human being also we have one set of rules. Okay. Here what is a set of rules? For monitor example, your eyes you have one set of rules. What is the rule? It can only use it for C. Okay, your ears. There is one set of rules has been defined for him also. For ears, what is the set of rules you have defined? Only it can do hearing activity. For your mouth also you have only one set for speaking. Okay. So like this, monitor also have one set of rules for when you type A here, the A will go to the A here. This is a keyboard. From the keyboard, it will go to the monitor. Via the what it will go? Bus protocol. Now, people are still thinking bus means what happened? Not BMD, leave it. Bus means some people will think cable wire. Only one wire to wire only need to connect, right? See, not just like connecting a wire. I wanted to send it very quickly or very slowly. How will you control via the wire only? Only via the wire can you control the speed? No. There is again a rule is being defined that's called as bus protocol. Clear? Protocol means set of rules. Majorly, you have two types of protocol. One is the source. This is the source, correct? This may be your destination. Source and destination, they are peripheral. Leave it. And the person who carries, they are called like what? Bus. So, one is a bus protocol, one is a peripheral. Okay. Bus protocol is majorly all the bus protocol is used from which company? I think if you are there last week, the person who is working in Google, he also came here. Like, okay, he shown his company also. They also need what protocol again? R protocol. Okay, see, one of the student asked me which protocol and what all I need to study. Okay, then he said that only. He asked on you. The knowledge of ARM protocol is very important. ARM protocol means that is APB, AHB, AXL. What is that? They are on normally standard bus protocol are APB, AHB, AXL. Not only. Tomorrow we'll start your just 1 minute. Here I'll just note them.
Yes.
Have you noted down? Yes. Okay, just wait. Now here, or else via the link, then you can get to know. Okay. It have normally highest OP, APB, HP, HA. They are all every whichever the company will be there, every company needs this protocol. Going ahead, protocol will be very important. Okay, then we'll stop it for the day. Okay, we'll continue tomorrow. Huh?